Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called Lumens XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Stellar Lumens. Coinsler, near, Filecoin price analysis, 01 March. While overall sentiment saw a rapid improvement in the last 24 hours, Stellar and EAR's RSI to test its overbought levels, before facing a slight pullback. On the other hand, Filecoin's super trend continued to be in the green zone, while flashing high volatility in the near term. Stellar XLM, after recovering from its January lows, they all saw impressive gains by rising above all its EMA ribbons. However, since the sellers accelerated their force at the $0.2464 level, XLM descended in a down channel, yellow. After losing over 37% of its value, XLM plunged towards its 13-month low on 24 February. During this phase, the 20 EMA continued to display a strong resistance. Over the last 5 days, XLM was up by 21% and broke out of its down channel. Also, the bulls kept testing the 19 cents resistance, while marking higher troughs. This trajectory revealed increasing bullish influence. Any close above this resistance could propel a test towards the $0.209 mark. At press time, XLM was trading at $0.198. The bullish RSI moved in an up channel and jumped above the 59 mark. Now, it most likely will try to test the overbought mark before a pullback. Near protocol, near, since its ath on 15 January, near lost 82.83% of its value and rushed toward its 11-week low on 24 February. Moreover, it lost its crucial $10.9 level resistance, previous support. Near witnessed an ascending channel, white, breakdown on its 4-hour chart. This fall formed a strong bearish trendline support, yellow, dashed. While the $7.6 horizontal support coincided with the trendline support, near picked itself up from the $7.6 level. With over 29.6% gains in the last 4 days, it reclaimed lost $9.5 support and displayed a bullish edge. At press time, the alt was trading at $9.752. After plunging to its record low, the RSI saw exponential growth as it eyed to test its overbought level. Nevertheless, the ATX stood quite weak and depicted a rather fragile directional trend for near. Filecoin, Phil bears initiated a steep downturn after breaking down from the up channel, yellow. With this fall, the alt matched its January lows and ensured the oscillation range of $16.25 since the past month. Over the last few days, Phil saw an up-channel recovery that bagged in 28.08% ROI in the last 5 days. Meanwhile, the super trend continued to flash a buy signal. The immediate testing support now stood at the lower trend line of the up channel. At press time, Phil traded at $21.38. After dropping from the overbought region, the RSI headed to test its trendline support. Any close below 58 level support would be detrimental for the bulls. Also, the squeeze momentum indicator continually flashed gray dots, thus, still entailing a high volatility phase. The second news, one Theta trader lost $11 million to liquidations as prices jumped 18%. A trader of futures tracking the Theta network token took one of the largest losses in crypto as the market recovered. The lone trader lost more than $11 million on a single futures trade involving Theta network's Theta tokens as the price jumped 21%. It now seemed likely that history would repeat itself as the XLM saw the morning star candlestick pattern and the technical indicators confirmed the rising buying power. Moreover, the recent bullish return has formed a strong demand zone, rectangle, near the $0.2 level. Any close above $0.221 is likely to test around 23 cents before a pullback. If the bulls fail to close above $0.221, a direct retest of the demand zone should not surprise investors traders. The RSI has been in an uptrend for the past month, but it still needed to close above the half line to confirm a change in momentum. It needs to bounce off the trendline support to improve its chances of breaking $0.221. The CMF quickly turned up and swung above the half line, hinting at a change in trend. In addition, the super trend showed a buy signal and confirmed the growing buying pressure. As XLM reversed from the critical $0.195 support, the chances of a trend reversal are high while its technical indicators confirm growing buying power. the clash between buyers and sellers between $0.23 and the demand zone can be expected in the coming days before the trend makes a move. In addition, in order to make a profitable move, broader market sentiment and network development must be taken into account. And here's what they said a week ago about Ukraine, DeFi, and what's next for Stellar and XLM, focused on scaling XRP, and Stellar's XLM, are both among the market's top 40 cryptocurrencies, and rival siblings too. The link between them is technologist Jed McCaleb, who founded Ripple, and then left to co-found the Stellar Development Foundation SDF. Analysts, journalists, and traders admittedly love business rivalries and the dramatic backstory, especially with the SEC v Ripple Labs lawsuit heating up the courtroom. But, while XRP makes headlines, crypto watchers shouldn't lose sight of XLM, especially since it also has ambitious plans to transform cross-border payments. To that end, Crypto recently interviewed Stellar Development Foundation spokesperson Carolyn Yee to learn more about Stellar, XLM, and the SDF's future targets. Ukrainian like a wrecking ball, Ripple appears to reign supreme in the area of CBDCs, having announced digital currency partnerships with Bhutan and Palau. Meanwhile, Stellar is often linked to Ukraine's electronic hryvnia digital currency. However, there's a catch. He explained, based on all of the above, it can be argued that Stellar is ready to make a mark on the crypto scene in 2022. In early 2021, MoneyGram and Ripple parted ways due to a SEC lawsuit against the San Francisco blockchain company. However, in January 2022, a Stellar spokesperson announced that MoneyGram had joined to support crypto-to-cash conversions at approximately 300,000 international outlets. That being said, Stellar XLM is trading at 21 cents at the time of writing. XLM is still far from its all-time high of 94 cents, despite recent bullish trading activity. The coin also had a typical holding time of 31 days, according to Coinbase. One thing is certain. While many want XRP and XLM to fight each other to the death for dominance in the cross-border money transfer market, the two cryptocurrencies have long since parted ways. It is clear that Stellar is now on its own journey. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar, XLM, a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023, XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45